Welcome back to Animal Inquiry. Today I'm diving into a debate that sparked conversations for centuries: cats versus dogs. But instead of just asking which pet is cuter or more loyal, we're exploring the surprising reasons why more people are choosing cats over dogs. It turns out this choice says a lot about our changing lifestyles, personalities, and even the world we live in. Let's start with how our lives have changed. In the past, dogs were the classic companion, herding sheep, guarding homes, and joining us on outdoor adventures. But as cities have grown and more of us have moved into apartments, our daily routines have shifted. City living often means smaller spaces, longer work hours, and less time at home. For people juggling busy schedules, the idea of walking a dog several times a day just isn't practical. Cats, on the other hand, are perfectly suited to this modern lifestyle. They don't need to be walked. They're content to nap while you're at work, and they can turn even a tiny apartment into their own playground. Their independence is a huge plus for anyone who does and have a lot of free time or outdoor space. But lifestyle isn't the only factor. There's a psychological side to this choice too. Studies show that people who prefer cats often share certain personality traits. Cat owners tend to be more introverted, open-minded, and sensitive. They value independence and appreciate a pet that does the same. Unlike dogs, who are usually eager to please and openly affectionate, cats are more subtle with their love. Affection is quiet, a gentle headbutt, a soft purr, a slow blink across the room. When a cat chooses to curl up in your lap, it feels like you've truly earned their trust. This sense of mutual respect creates a bond that many people find deeply rewarding. There's also real science behind the benefits of having a cat. Research shows that cat owners have a lower risk of heart attack and stroke. The sound of a cat's purr, usually around 25 Hz, has been shown to calm nerves, reduce stress, and even promote healing in bones and tissues. Petting a cat can lower blood pressure and release chemicals in the brain that make us feel good, like oxytocin and serotonin. For people dealing with anxiety, depression, or loneliness, a cat's quiet presence can be a powerful source of comfort. Unlike dogs, who may demand attention when you're feeling low, cats are happy to simply sit with you, offering support without expectations. Our fascination with cats isn't new. In ancient Egypt, cats were worshipped as sacred animals, protectors of homes and symbols of good fortune. Fast forward to today, and cats are still everywhere in our culture, from Garfield and Hello Kitty to viral internet memes and cat cafes in cities around the world. Their mystique, independence, and sometimes mischievous nature have made them icons of both luck and mystery. There's a reason cats have inspired artists, writers, and filmmakers for centuries. Practicality is another big reason people choose cats. Life is expensive, and for many, the decision to get a pet comes down to what's affordable and manageable. Cats are generally less expensive to care for than dogs. They eat less, require fewer accessories, and their medical bills are often lower. You don't need to hire a dog walker or rush home to let them out. Cats use litter boxes, which can be tucked away in a corner, and they're content to be alone for longer periods. This makes cats an ideal choice for students, young professionals, and anyone living in a small space or on a tight budget. You get all the benefits of animal companionship, love, laughter, and those adorable toe beans without the high costs or time commitments. Then there's the allure of the mysterious. Cats are captivating because they're so unpredictable. One moment they're aloof, the next they're purring in your lap. They have rituals and routines, preferences and quirks. Getting to know a cat's personality can feel like solving a delightful puzzle. Many cat owners describe their relationship with their pet as a partnership rather than ownership. You don't train a cat so much as negotiate with it. This sense of equality is appealing to people who value autonomy and respect in their relationships, including with their pets. We can't ignore the impact of the internet. Cats have become the unofficial mascots of the digital world. From the earliest days of YouTube, cat videos have racked up millions of views. Memes like Icon has cheeseburger and famous felines like Grumpy Cat and Nyan Cat have made cats more visible and beloved than ever. Their quirky, unpredictable behavior makes for endlessly entertaining content, and their expressive faces and dramatic reactions keep us coming back for more. Allergies and cleanliness are also factors. While it's true that some people are allergic to cats, many find that certain breeds or regular cleaning can help manage symptoms. Cats are famously clean animals. They spend a significant portion of their day grooming themselves, which means less odor and fewer messes around the house. Their litter box habits make them easy to care for, even in shared living spaces or apartments with limited outdoor access. As families become smaller and more people choose to live alone, the appeal of a pet that's content with solitude grows. Cats don't require constant companionship or supervision. They're happy to nap while you're at work or out with friends, and they'll greet you with a soft purr when you return. For people who value both companionship and independence, cats are the perfect fit. Let's hear from some real cat owners about why they chose cats over dogs. One person says, "I work long hours and live in a tiny apartment. My cat Luna is the perfect roommate, quiet, clean, and always happy to see me when I get home." Another shares, "I love the challenge of earning my cat's affection. Feels like a real friendship, not just ownership." Someone else adds, "My cat helped me through a tough time. Her purring was so calming, and she always seemed to know when I needed comfort." And finally, "I grew up with dogs, but as an adult, I realized a cat fit my lifestyle better. I love their independence and quirky personalities." Of course, none of this is meant to put dogs down. Dogs are wonderful, loyal, and loving companions. For people with the time, space, and energy to care for them, dogs bring unmatched joy and connection. But in a world that's changing fast, cats offer a different kind of companionship, one that fits the pace and pressures of modern life. As our cities grow and our lives become more digital, it's likely that the popularity of cats will continue to rise. We may see more innovations in pet care. From high-tech litter boxes to interactive toys and even catios, outdoor patios designed just for cats, the bond between humans and cats will keep evolving, shaped by the way we live, work, and connect. So what's the surprising reason people choose cats over dogs? It's not just about convenience or cost. It's about finding a pet that fits our modern lives and personalities. Cats offer independence, subtle affection, and a sense of mystery. They're companions for people who value both connection and personal space. In a fast-paced, unpredictable world, a cat's calm, self-sufficient presence is a welcome comfort. Are you team cat, team dog, or maybe both? I'd love to hear your stories and opinions in the comments below. If you enjoyed this deep dive into the world of pets, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more animal insights right here on Animal Inquiry. Thanks for watching, and remember, no matter which pet you choose, the most important thing is the love and joy they bring into our lives. I'll see you next time.